The government has focused on easing the lives of people by including access and inclusion in each and every area. Leading with the same vision, a significant transformation has been observed in the judicial system with the introduction of e-courts. Let's learn more about e-courts Mission Mod project. The e-courts Mission Mod project is a national e-governance project for information and communication technology enablement of district and subordinate courts of the country. The objective of the project is to provide designated services to litigants, lawyers, and the judiciary through ICT enablement of courts. The project aims to improve access to justice using technology. To assist the people, the e-courts project envisions a judicial system that is more easily accessible irrespective of geographical distances, efficient and equitable for every individual who seeks justice. It makes more efficient use of human and other resources and observes the latest technology for a positive environmental impact. How e-courts Mission Mod project impacts the lives of people. It provides the citizens with a modern judicial system governed by the core values of trust, empathy, sustainability, and transparency, which, while simplifying procedures, will maximize the positives of technology and minimize its risk and challenges. e-courts Mission Mod project has made the dispute redressal mechanism easier and accessible for the people, as the project aims to make processes more efficient across all three components of dispute management, that is, dispute avoidance, containment, and resolution. Each of these components requires technological integration with different institutions. Citizen-centric approach, creation of a core digital infrastructure for the people. e-courts have provided efficient and time-bound citizen-centric service delivery and have developed, installed, and implemented decision support systems in the courts, catalyzing larger benefits for the people. e-courts provide transparency in the accessibility of information, enhances judicial productivity, and makes the justice delivery system affordable, accessible, cost-effective, predictable, reliable, and transparent for the people. e-courts Mission Mod project, in the true spirit, has turned out to be productive for the people of India. Let's get to know how. 18,735 courts have been computerized with software interoperability. To reduce the connectivity divide for the people living in far-flung areas, the Wide Area Network project was given special impetus. Moreover, 12 virtual courts have been set up in 9 states and union territories which have tried 86 lakh petty traffic offence cases and collected over Rs 175.35 crore online fines. It is worth noting that India emerged as a global leader with district and high courts virtually hearing nearly 1.26 crore cases and 96,000 cases by the Supreme Court of India. Moreover, the e-filing feature of the e-courts Mission Mod project has saved the time and cost of the citizens by promoting paperless filing. National Judicial Data Grid, world's largest real-time online database. Case information software using free and open source software has been developed to automate the court registry. This has led to National Judicial Data Grid for judicial data transmission. To aid the people, for larger benefits, National Judicial Data Grid is providing the world's largest real-time online database of more than 19.16 crore cases of various courts and 15.15 crore orders or judgments. These endeavors have strengthened the country's justice delivery system and have digitally empowered the people of India. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.